2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. With less than 28,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with many extra conveniences right at your fingertips, including side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.